8-year-old Jake had an unusual companion, a lively green parrot named Coco. Every afternoon, Jake and Coco would venture into the garden, where Coco amused Jake with his knack for mimicking sounds. One day, while imitating Jake's laugh, Coco startled a butterfly, making Jake burst into giggles. On another occasion, Coco playfully interrupted Jake's treehouse storytelling with perfectly timed chirps, turning stories into delightful performances. Their special bond grew each day, captured perfectly when Coco perched quietly on Jake's shoulder, sharing secrets in the warm evening sun. Through laughter and shared whispers, their friendship enriched both their lives, teaching Jake the beauty of companionship and understanding.